All right, and Nathan Thayer Honda here. Here's the short overview of the Mini Cooper S. Hope you like it. And front of the vehicle, fog lamps. There's a little bit of coloration on the headlamps there. Swirling in the paint. That's to be expected being 2011. It's there. Wheels are in pretty good shape. A little bit of discoloration there, but and if you look at it right in the right angle there, looks like there's a slight dent there. Something fixed there at some point in the past. Just get the lay down the seats there. A little bit of curb brush there in that back wheel. Does have the all-season floor mats underneath there. A little bit of wrinkling right there on the seat. Yeah, looks like some sort of fiber back there, but not very clean. Not scratched up. So let's start it up. And open the bonnet. Hopefully you can hear that fine, it's pretty windy. Bosch. Nice. There's your VIN if you want to confirm that. Chili red. Alright, thank you for watching. Hope you like the Mini Cooper. Let me know what you think. Thank you and have a great day.